We are offering something called the LED Lightbulb Exchange. It will be 6 events at regional libraries around the county. It's brought to you by Energy Action Fairfax, which is the county's outreach program for energy efficiency, and Fairfax County Public Libraries. What we wanted to do was help residents to use LEDs in their homes. So we will be offering information and then also 1 free LED for anyone passing by, and then up to 4 more if you bring in an incandescent or a CFL. So that's a total of up to 5 free LEDs per household. We'll have a couple of tables right when you walk in. We'll have a display showing the different types of lighting technology available, and then plenty of brochures about light bulbs and saving energy. Energy Action Fairfax offers a lot of different programs. We have free presentations about saving energy. We also have home performance get-togethers in April and May, so actually at the same time as the light bulb exchanges, we're doing Solarize again, which is a campaign to help residents install solar panels. For more information, please visit the Energy Action Fairfax website. The events are also listed on the library website.